Now this is definitely Jordan 4 of the year, but could this be the Jordan of the year? And I need you to join the Fresh Crew. How you join the Fresh Crew? You click like on this video, subscribe to the channel, and follow us on social media at Fresh Colorway on Facebook, TikTok, and Instagram.
I know that's right.
Now before we jump into this video, I need y'all to check out my last video. I got it linked above now. We giving away a free pair of these Jordan 3 white cement. Also, don't forget to check out freshcolorway.com to get your Fresh Colorway merch. We got the black t-shirt with the white print on it with the big Fresh Crew sign on the back. We also had a white t-shirt with the black Fresh Colorway on it with the black Fresh Crew symbol on the back. It's www.freshcolorway.com. Also, shout out to my people over at Misery Loves Company, the brand. They just had a drop on March 10th. They dropped the baseball jerseys, the Smell the Roses collection. Very dope quality on the shirts, on the jerseys. You can pull these out with the Jordan 3 white cement reimagines. Go perfectly with them. So make sure you tap in over there, MLCbrand.com. I'm gonna link it down in the description. But these Jordan 4 SB Pine Greens are set to release on March 17th of 2023 at the local skate shops and March 20th on the sneakers app. And this shoe comes in a lighter Jordan 4 box. It kind of resembles one of those Union type boxes. It's just a very dope box. And you get nothing but the normal paper on the inside. And when you open up the paper, you got these beauties. It's a very nice shoe, which you got the Jordan 4 SB Pine Green. Now the shoe itself has like a sail color upper with the gray hairy suede around the toe cap of the shoe, green eyelets on the wings of the shoe, as well as the front. The midsole is white with pops of the pine green, as well as a peanut butter outer. The midsole is nice because it has a clear air unit with the red interior. You have a white sole on the bottom of the shoe with a red Nike sign in the middle with peanut butter on the toe and the heel of the shoe. You have a green pull tab in the back with Nike SB and a red Jumpman on the tongue with a green colored flight. Now these shoes are retailing at $225, and then when you add tax in my state, it's gonna come up to about $240, $247. So this is not a cheap shoe by any stretch of the imagination. Now currently on the resale market, according to StockX, a size 13 is going for around 500 bucks. So if you want to get these, you definitely probably gonna have to pay to play. And that's to be expected though, because the Jordan 4 is the hypest silhouette on the Jordan lineup as of now, and the SB shoes are usually the hottest line on the Nike Dunk side of things. So when you collaborate the two together, you can expect like a shoe that's gonna take a lot of money to buy, or it's gonna be very limited in quantity and very sought after product. Now when I first saw this shoe, the shoe that jumped out to me immediately was the military blacks. Like these are basically the same exact shoe, except for on this shoe you got pops of the pine green, when on this shoe you got the military black color. And also you got the peanut butter bottom on this one, and this just had that traditional white outer sole. They both very dope shoes. And I think they both really gonna stand the test of time. And if you know me, you know I kind of like that green color on my gym shoes. I just feel like green just make a shoe pop, especially when it's a mostly white upper. You know, it's just a very dope touch. And that color blocking that you get on these military blacks was virtually perfect. Like you can see how this shoe is performing over the long haul. These are hovering around that $400+ price point. And these only dropped around a year ago at this point. This one is brand new and is hovering around 500 pre-drop. I think that these will stand the test of time too. Later on this week, we are gonna have a hold to sell video on these, as well as a how to cop. We got a lot of content coming on these, so make sure you hit the subscribe button and the notification bell so you don't miss when I'm giving you this new sneaker information. Now these will definitely be very limited when they release. It's only coming to skate shops or tier 0 stores. So the tier 0 stores are getting them because they are tier 0 stores, so they get probably just about every release. But the skate shops are getting them because it's an SB. And for those who don't know, SB stands for skateboard. So this is a skateboarding shoe. That's why they have a flappier tongue in the back. Usually this back pull tab is pretty stiff, but this one, if you can hear that, it's like a rubber. You know? It just bounces and springs right back up. And that's just to add the additional comfort on the shoe. So I feel like it's a dope touch. It is a true real life skateboard shoe. So you have to treat it as such. Now I know the craze is still out about these Jordan 3 white cement reimagines. And one of the biggest issues about this shoe was the quality control. We heard a lot of whispers and rumors that the quality control sucked on this shoe. I had about 10 pairs, and none of the pairs that I had quality control issues. The grade school pair had a little flaws on it, but nothing really to write home about. Something that's really normal when it comes to mass-produced shoes. However, one thing I can say about these is this shoe is basically flawless. At least the pair that I got, I don't see any type of flaws on this shoe. You know, they put this together really nice. The materials are super nice. The leather's super soft on the toe box. You know, the back leather feels super plush. It's a plush interior on the shoe. I just really like this. They put this together better than any other Jordan 4 that I've seen released in the recent past. Now, if I had to rate this shoe between 1 and 10, with 1 being the worst, 10 being the best, this is a 9.8. This is a 9.8. It's almost the perfect shoe. I just feel like the sizing, because it's an SB, we actually gonna make a video about how these fit and the sizing on them, so make sure y'all stay tuned. But the sizing could have been tweaked a little bit, but it is a skateboard shoe, so that's to be expected. But this is almost a perfect shoe, in my opinion. The military black color blocking was perfect. They add a new drip on it with the peanut butter on the toe and the heel. I shout out to Jordan Brand. I really like Jordan Brand and what they going with these SB4s. They need to give us more colorway. There are rumored to have more colorways coming. They say it's supposed to be the black Cat 4s. I can't confirm or deny that just yet, but once we get confirmation, I'm definitely gonna bring that information to the Fresh crew. As far as being a cop or a drop, this is definitely a cop. This full throttle. Like, as many of these you can get, you should definitely get. It's gonna be hard to really be a cookout on these because these will be limited, unfortunately. I do not have stock numbers, but it's only coming to Skateboard Shop and Sneakers app, so it won't be a lot of them. It's probably gonna get botted out on Sneakers app, so if you take that dub, you gotta thank the sneaker gods, but this is a very dope shoe. But before we get out of here, I wanna hear from the Fresh crew. Are y'all grabbing these Jordan 4 Pine Green SBs? Are y'all gonna let them sit? Or y'all gonna go for them at all your local skate shops? Drop it down in the comment section below. Now don't forget to check the last video and enter for that giveaway. We will be pulling names on the video that's gonna be released on March 14th. And I need you to join a Fresh crew. How you join a Fresh crew? You click like on this video, subscribe to the channel, and follow us on social media at Fresh Colorway on Facebook, TikTok, and Instagram. It's your boy Mo signing out for Fresh Colorway, and I'll catch y'all on the next one.